In this video, we'll walk you through how to control the Sony A7M IV camera using a wired connection with CINENORM series monitors. This tutorial applies to the BM5-4, BM5-4WR, and BM7-DS models. Step 1. Connect the cable. Use the control cable to connect the multi-port on the camera to the remote port on the monitor. Once connected, the camera will display a USB Connect mode window. Select Remote Shooting. Step 2. Monitor Setup. On the monitor, tap the screen to call out the menu. Then go to the external device icon. Wired camera control connection. Tap Connect. Once the monitor detects the camera, the pairing is complete. Step 3. Control Features Demonstration. After pairing, you can use the monitor to control the camera functions. Tap Record to start or stop video recording. Switch the camera to photo mode and tap the shutter button on the screen to take a photo. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture. Tap Shutter to adjust shutter speed. Tap ISO to change ISO settings. Tap Focus to manually adjust focus when the camera is in MF mode. Tap WB to change the white balance mode. When white balance is set to color temperature mode, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. That concludes our tutorial on how to use CINENORM monitors to control the Sony A7M IV via a wired connection.